So I'm on a very short trip and guess what I came across? A clone of the Galaxy S10 Plus. So in this video, let's unbox it and see what the Chinese have in store for us. Hey guys, Ash here from C4 eTech and let's get started. If you do end up liking this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So this is the S10 Plus box, kind of similar to what we've seen with the S9 Plus in the past. I mean, I did unbox that clone too. Here's a card to that video in case you've missed it. So guys, I mean, I'm guessing, just looking at the box, I'm kind of guessing that they've basically just taken a few aspects of what's leaked about the S10 Plus and they've just added it here, because when you go through this, even here it says 12 megapixel dual pixel camera, as in 8 megapixel front facing camera. It's not really talking about the triple camera setup. It's not even talking about the secondary camera here. So it feels like an older phone. Anyway, let's just open it up. Slides right out there, and then we've got a little magnetic whatever. Galaxy S10, it's already out. Okay, so this is the phone. So now, setting the phone aside for the minute, let's see what else is there in the box. So again, they still have the old cutout for the S9 Plus, so I'm guessing that is just, they've just changed the back panel. Same old sad little leaflet here. We've got a charger, and then there is a USB Type-C cable, in-ear pair of earphones. There you go. So let's quickly get back to the S10 Plus clone and let's peel this part off and peel this off as well. So this is the back. So this is all plastic. As you can see, it's not really glass. You can see the imperfections there. But what they've done this time is they've changed this. This shows a triple camera setup. I'm pretty sure there's only one that's functioning. There is no fingerprint scanner here either. So that's that. So anyway, let's turn it on. So let me just walk you through the device. Power button, volume button. Okay, that's actually the Bixby key. I'm sorry. The power key, and on top we've got the SIM slot, and at the bottom the headphone jack is still there. Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and the Samsung logo is booting up. So that's the Galaxy S10 clone, the S10 Plus clone. Looks very familiar to what we saw with the S9 Plus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly get into the codes there. There's a code to check out what's what that takes you here. So it says boot animation S10 Plus. You can modify it to whatever you want, and the model number, they can basically change it over here. Serial number can be changed. RAM size says 6 gigs. You can modify it. If you go into real, it would probably show you the real RAM. I mean, let's see what that is. Again, changing the ROM to real. And it's the same MT6595 that we saw with the Galaxy S9 Plus. So that confirms that they've just basically changed the back part. So now going into settings, it says Android version 9, but hey, that's still Marshmallow there. Last time it said Android version 7, but it was Marshmallow. That's pretty much that. Now going into storage, it's got about 2 gigs of free storage. That's pretty much it. That brings up Bixby, and as always, it's faster on this than it'll probably be on the Galaxy S10. So anyway, here's the thing. It's a 720p panel. So basically what they've done here is they've changed this back panel alone. So there's no fingerprint scanner. So let's see what they've done for that. Okay, so they've gone with the in-display fingerprint scanner, or at least they're pretending to. So you can, it doesn't register anywhere else, but just this part. It basically wants me to tap there, and that's it. So when you open it up, it's going to ask you for the pin, for the fingerprint, and there you go, it unlocks. But just like we saw with the fingerprint scanner on the S9 Plus, you could use pretty much any finger to unlock it. So that's fun. And then we've got an iris scanner. So that's again just going to be using the front camera. Irises have register irises. Yes, so now unlock. And it's a little weird, but it works. It just scans for any pair of eyes and it gets you in, just like we saw with the S9 Plus again. Okay, I don't remember seeing this here, but I think they've added a new auto scene detection option. It doesn't do much, but yay, that's something new. They're keeping up with the whole AI thing. I think the next clone will have an AI mode. What do you guys think? It does detect it as a night scene, probably going for a long exposure. I don't know if it's that much. I mean, if they've put in that much work. But hey, those are the 2 shots I took. Not too bad, not too shabby at all. So this is the kind of video you get with this. That's my A7 III. How do you think? How do you like this video? Nice? Let me know in the comments. I mean, I'm not gonna say there are any design cues from this that's gonna make its way over to the S10 Plus, because basically all they've done is taken an existing S9 Plus clone, they've just ripped that back panel off, added a couple of weird fake cameras, and it's basically the same phone, just added the S10 Plus marking over here, and they've just given it, because the S10 Plus, going by the leaks, should come with a punch hole display, which is not something they've done here, because again, budget constraints and all that. It's just a quick rehash for a clone phone. I'd advise you guys not to read much into it. This one costs around $90 or about 6,000 Indian rupees. I picked it up on my recent trip to UAE. I just wanted to see if they've done something new, or is it just a rehash. So I guess that about wraps up this video about the Galaxy S10 Plus clone. I mean, do you guys want to see more of these kind of videos? It's not really what we usually do, but I did unbox the S9 Plus clone last year. And now the S10 Plus clone. Did you find it interesting? Not really. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt. If you want to see something else, leave a comment down below. Share this video with friends and family if you can. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Also turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 Retech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.